एक तो बना दूंगा।
हाँ चल छोड़।
The water is yours, eh? Or the fish. Say hi to my people in Kiswahili.
Your people in Uganda.
Yeah, yeah.
You are the Buganda yourself.
Are you a Buganda?
Say in Kiswahili.
Hello, habari.
Habari zenyu
Habari zako.
watu wa Uganda.
Habari zenu
Na
Waganda.
nataraji kuwa samaki mnavua kwa wingi.
Okay, where are you?
I'm in Delhi.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Taj Mahal. Somebody is losing.
Aya, tunataka tu pia mturudishie migingo.
Yeah.
Na
Lazima mturudishie migingo Waganda. Ndio
Waganda.
tuweze kuelewana.
How do you find this place?
Place is good, ni mzuri.
Mzuri sana.
Ni mzuri sana.
Where are you?
Niko mahali panaitwa Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal. What simple history do you know about this place?
Hapa ni mahali ambapo tunaweza muita Embar.
So,
Kiingereza.
you think you're blessed to be here at the seventh wonder of the world?
Yeah, I'm blessed.
Okay. This is my friend from Mongolia. He's called Batball, but may I call him Batman. How are you?
How are you? Fine. I'm fine.
Yeah. Can you speak a Mongolian language and say how are you to my people in Uganda?
I don't know.
You speak in
Speak in
Mongolian.
Mongolian.
Sambeno.
How is this place?
Yeah, I
In Mongolia.
Mongolia. Би Taj Mahal-аас өмнөдөр сургалтын даамд ирсэн. Маш гоё байна.
Yeah. Okay. That's my friend from
tell them about that.
Taj Mahal.
No Taj Mahal.
About Mongolia.
Taj
About
Mahal.
the religion in Mongolia.
About the riddles in Mongolia.
The red
Riddles.
recruits.
Riddles. Yeah, we are going.
Let's wait for one lady.
Hey, let's go.
We're waiting for someone. A lady.
There is something that I read in that book which
yeah.
was saying that when your father is still alive,
Yeah.
when your father is still alive, you need to be moving. In that small.
Yeah, nomadic.
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Нүүдэлчин монголчууд. Nomadic Mongolia.
You speak in English.
Yeah, nomadic Mongolia.
No.
Nomadic.
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 Yeah, nomadic.
Like the Karamojong.
Nomads, okay.
There is a
So-
saying in their language
Yeah.
that says that when your father is still alive, as a young man, you should keep moving.
Oh, you move far
Yeah,
away
far.
from his home.
Yeah.
1 year for nomadic.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Season.
Like Kenyans.
Yeah.
Can you take this and I say something also to my people?
Yes.
Hi guys, they're at home. Yes, people in Uganda. I'm here at Taj Mahal in India. And as you can see, this is the seventh wonder of the world. And I'm blessed to be a part of this. Very many people, very many people come here, and very many people also in India have not yet gotten a chance to be in this nice place. It was a king's place. He loved the wife very, very much. Guys, you should learn how to love your wives like the way he did. He loved the wife, and the wife died when he was giving birth. Built this in her own. I wanted to actually build two, but died when he had only built this one. So we are so blessed to be here. Abantu b'Uganda tubagala nnyo, tuli ba mukisa nnyo okubeera eno ku Taj Mahal. We've come from very many different countries, but I'm happy I'm representing Uganda, and let me walk you through.
Brenda from Buganda TV.
Yeah, we shall be going in, and I'll be taking very many things about it. This is my friend from Zambia. He's also here for the Taj Mahal. Greet them in the Zambian language.
Mulishani.
Mulishani.
Tulipia we know.
Yeah.
We are in Taj Mahal.
Yeah,
trying
Taj
to
Mahal.
look around and see what it has to offer.
Yeah. Taj Mahal, be nice to us. Thank you.
Shalom.
Shalom.
So you watch Buganda TV?